my shoe. 3 and 4, shut the door. 5 and 6, pick up sticks. 7 and 8, lay them straight. 9 and 10, a big fat hen. A big fat hen. A big fat hen. A big fat hen. 1 and 2, take the glue. 3 and 4, spread on the door. 5 and 6, take your pick. 7 and 8, paste it straight. 9 and 10, a job well done. A job well done. A job well done. A job well done. 1 and 2, go to the zoo. 3 and 4, the lions roar. 5 and 6, monkey in a fix. 7 and 8, birds on skates.